time was when I was very young. But we live honestly in life. Father, mother, brother, sisters, and I. But then, poverty enters the portals of our home. My father became jealous of us. My mother got ill. The small savings that my mother had for us best expense, all for our daily needs and immediate medicine. One night, my father went out, telling us that he would come back in a few weeks. Plenty of food and money.
Bumabawi ang bird.
He would fight with another woman. If only I could lay my hands on his neck, I would free him without fear of his best no more. You were my
Pare,
favorite.
nakatalig-talig sa'yo.
What? Would you believe in me? Come, let's show you a dilapidated sandy burial. Mother! Mother, I'm home!
Saan?
Mother? Mother? There, Captain. You see my dead mother? Captain, there are tears in your eyes.
Ano yan? Condom?
Stolen money and returned it to the owner. What good will this do to my mother now? She's already gone. You hear me? She's already gone. And my days with this for her gone.